Hello and welcome back to the Kentucky Career Center's Assistive Technology Learning Portal. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Google Docs along with your computer's built-in or external microphone to type your documents without ever touching your keyboard. Typing using only your voice is called dictation. Dictation software is useful for many reasons. It reduces the strain on your hands, which can help prevent you from getting repetitive stress injuries like carpal tunnel. If you already have carpal tunnel, voice typing can reduce your pain and keep you from making it worse. Some people have trouble with written expression, which means that they have trouble getting their ideas out of their heads and onto the paper. With dictation software, you can speak out your ideas, which means less time spent trying to type or write. It's also helpful for people who can't access a physical keyboard or who are very slow typists. It's even good for people who have trouble spelling, because as long as you say the right word, the software will spell it correctly. To get started, open your Google Chrome web browser. Voice typing in Google Docs will only work if you have the Google Chrome web browser. If you don't have it already, please check out the link in the comments below. Now we'll go to the Google Docs website at docs.google.com. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign in. If not, you'll need to create one using the Create Account link. On the Google Docs page, click the blank document with the plus sign on it to start a new page. In the menu at the top, select Tools and then Voice Typing. You can also toggle voice typing on and off using the keyboard by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S. A little box should pop up with a microphone in it. If you haven't used voice typing before, you should see this little message that the page wants to access your microphone. Click Allow. You can toggle the microphone on and off by clicking the microphone, or by using the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-Shift-S. If the microphone is on, you can say Stop listening when you want to pause, and then Resume when you're ready to dictate again. You can click and hold the three dots at the top of the microphone window and drag it to move it around if it's in your way. There are two basic ways to enter information with dictation. The first is to speak your ideas out just to get them on the paper. This is great when you're brainstorming ideas. The idea is that instead of worrying so much about your punctuation and spelling, you can focus on typing in all of your ideas. You can always go back and edit your writing later. For example, let's say we're writing a paper about whales. You might begin by listing off some of the facts you already know about whales. Whales are big. Whales live in the ocean. Whales eat krill. Whales have trouble finding sunglasses that fit. Now that I have a few ideas on my page, I can edit them. We can make each one a new line and then make it a list. We could also use each of these as the main idea for one of our paragraphs or sentences. The other way to use voice typing is to write a finished paper. Writing this way takes a little more preparation and thinking. You can say your entire sentence and punctuation. That means when you get finished, you'll have a finished paper. To dictate this way successfully, you should think about your sentence before you say it. You have to remember to speak your punctuation if you want a finished paper, although you can always go back and add it in manually as well. Whales are the biggest critters that live in the ocean, period. Blue whales are the biggest ones, period. They can live up to 90 years, period. A whale's favorite activities include swimming, eating krill, jumping through hula hoops, and shopping online for model airplanes, period. New paragraph. Blue whales are really good swimmers, period. They swim about 5 miles per hour normally, semicolon. They can reach up to 30 miles per hour if they are being chased, period. So that's it for this video on using your microphone to dictate in Google Docs by using the built-in Google voice typing tool. Remember that you have to use the Google Chrome web browser for the voice typing tools to work. Be sure to check out our Learning Portal website for more videos on tools to help you with dictation, typing, and spelling. Thanks for watching.